I'm a professor here at Evergreen Valley College. I am in the CAD department, computer-aided drafting and design. There's three softwares mainly that I teach. One of them is AutoCAD, the other one is Inventor, and SolidWorks. And what makes it exciting is that I have a hands-on approach. Most of my teaching is through demonstrations and stuff that I've learned in industry as an engineer.
I chose Evergreen Valley College because they offered more CAD classes than a lot of the other schools that I looked at. A degree in CAD would help me in my current job because I work with lots of drawings and files that are produced on CAD programs that help to run automated machines.
I looked up schools, and this was one of the few schools that actually offered classes. Definitely nice to learn something new, especially something that I wanted to pursue originally before I started my my career in welding. So coming in here, I was really interested. Very engaging when you take the class. You do learn a lot off the start.
I want to reach out to those students, those young students that are eager to learn, that are, inquisitive, they're curious about stuff. They want to learn the CAD and develop their own ideas. It's very rewarding for me to try to get those students because it energizes me with creativity. It challenged me to create a better program.
I feel like I'm really learning something, There's been times where me and my teacher would go back and forth because we feel like we're both learning something at the same time. And that's really exciting, to learn what he's teaching you and then to be able to go off of that while you're still in class. You're learning more as you go, even if it's not what's on the curriculum, and that's rewarding, it's exciting. When I took the first AutoCAD class, we got so far to the point where we could eventually learn 3D. And then learning that, I took it to my new job, and they were surprised that I even knew a bit of 3D. Most of them don't actually know any 3D. I would say if you do come to EVC, it is very engaging and worth it to take these classes.